Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we'll be making a turkey sausage and broccoli calzone. First thing that we want to do though is get our oven preheated to 425 degrees, and we're going to pre-roast our turkey sausage links just until they start to get nice and crisp, and then we're going to slice those up and put those inside of our calzone. Would have sliced them beforehand, but they have a tendency to kind of be soft and fall apart, so we're going to let them get nice and crispy, and then we'll slice those up. So we're going to pop these into the oven. Okay, so our sausage has baked for about 10 to 15 minutes here, just enough to sort of firm up. We're going to let it cool just for a minute, just enough to work with, and then we're going to slice it up, and then we'll continue with the rest of the recipe. Okay, we're just going to slice up our links into thin, bite-sized pieces. And these are going to get combined with our broccoli, our bell pepper. We've got a little bit of garlic. And go inside of our calzone. All right, so at this point we've cut our sausage up, and in this bowl we also have our chopped bell pepper and our broccoli. We also have our sliced garlic, which we're going to put our garlic back down on the same pan that we roasted the sausage in initially. This has got all of the drippings from the sausage. Then we're going to go in with our sausage, our broccoli, and our bell pepper. Just going to spread this out. Just like that. A little bit of seasoning on top. All right, we're going to pop these back into the oven just until our broccoli and our peppers have roasted. The sausage will continue to crisp up even more. Okay, so we're going to pop these back into the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the broccoli and peppers get nice and crispy. All right, we're just giving our broccoli, sausage, and peppers a little toss. Just to make sure everybody's getting cooked evenly. I'm gonna pop these back into the oven. All right, at this point, we've got our dough out on our work surface here. We've already kind of used the rolling pin to roll it out a little bit. All right, you're not going to get a perfectly circular shape here unless you really just take the time to cut it down to such. It's not a big deal if you don't have that. But what we're going to do is begin to put our filling inside. Got our sausage, our broccoli, our pepper, our garlic. All right, okay, we're adding some provolone cheese here. And what we want to do is fold this over. Okay, I'll take a little bit of water on my hands. And kind of put it around the seam. All right, I'm going to roll it over on itself one more time. Make sure that you've got the ends kind of crimped shut. I'm going to roll it back. Do the same process to this seam. All right, take our knife and cut some slits just in the top to allow steam to escape. All right, we're going to put this down on a greased baking sheet, or you could use parchment paper, using silicone, just a little bit of oil on it. I'm going to drizzle just a little oil over the top, help it brown. All right, at this point you want to continue to fill your dough with the remaining filling until you've used up all of your dough. All right, we're ready to pop this into the oven. All right, we're going to bake these for about 20 to 25 minutes. So we're going to come back and check on it in about 10 to 15 just to see that it's coming along the way we want it. And then we'll finish it up and show you the finished product in just a little bit. All right, we're ready to pull our calzone from the oven. Oh, look at that, looks great. All right, we're going to put this on a cooling rack and allow it to cool. All right, at this point, we're going to let these cool just a little bit, and then we'll plate them up with some mixed vegetables, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.